Hello everyone. So if you want to add up a watermark or just a timestamp on your Android phone, here's how to do that. So let's start with the watermarks. It's quite easy to do. First of all, you're to open up your camera. After that, we are to tap on those four dots and tap on our gear icon. After that, let's locate our watermark section. Let's tap on it. Let's tap on the switch to enable it. So here you can adjust what is gonna be shown on the watermark. You can make it in a model name or basically anything. I'll just press hi and save it. You can adjust your date, time, the alignment, the font, and whether it's gonna be on top or at the bottom. I'm gonna keep it this way. Let's select it and let's try it out. So let's take any random picture, for example, of this table. Great. There we are. Now let's open up our gallery and we will be able to locate the watermark. Now let's talk about the internal timestamps, because sometimes they may be wrong or you just need to change them. They're not visible, they're only visible within the photo insights. However, we still need to change them. So how do we do that? Open up your Google Photos and let's choose any picture. For example, let it be this cute cat. So let's swipe up and here you'll see the date, the month, the year, and the time when this picture was added or made. And we can adjust that. So let's tap on this pencil icon. Now let's adjust the date. Let it be I know 18th of August 2025. Let's press OK. And now let's tap on timing and let it be 2:40 a.m. Sounds perfect to me. Press OK, press save, and basically that's it. As you see, the timings have been changed. So that's how it works. Unlikely you cannot change the watermark because it's already on the picture, right? However, you can always mess with the timings right there. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.